Hey guys, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm giving away 2 free vacations. That's right, 2 free vacations from me. Not a different company, not anybody else sponsoring, me. That 2 of you guys will win. Alright guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a very exciting video because I want to go over how much I've made in 5 months as being a notary or signing agent. So it is May now, so it's been 5 months for the new year, and I wanted to give you guys an update about how much I've made these past 5 months, because if you saw my January 1st or December 31st video, I said that I wanted to make $100,000 this year, and I think I'm on track for that. So I get a lot of questions about, well, how many signings do you get, or how much money do you make? And I'm here to tell you guys, you make great money as a signing agent. I know I call it a notary, and it's just because it's just easier for people to identify what a notary is when really you're called a signing agent. But if you look up online how much a notary makes, this is what you'll find. You're not a notary, I just say it because it's easier to identify as. But if you look up how much a signing agent makes, this is how much they could make. So let's look at how much I've made. Let's start out with my expenses. And just so you guys know, today's video is sponsored by Hatch. So let's go into the expenses that I've already accrued for the first 5 months of this year. And then we'll go into subtracting it from how much money I've already made. For my office supplies, I have everything written down from the tax person, and then I also did my expenses and mapped it out. She did that for me, so I'm gonna go down the list for how much I've spent so far. So for my office supplies, I have spent $2,978.38 for my office supplies. This could be significantly lower, but I do not have a printer in my car yet. I was supposed to get one, I didn't get one, and there have been a couple of times that I've had to go to Office Max to print out paperwork, and that can be expensive. So we're gonna be hoping to cut that this year, or coming up more on this year, because I don't like having to do that. It takes time out of my day, and then, you know, money. And $2,978.38 for ink, pens, paper, subscriptions to get that stuff, so shipping. So that is how much I have spent. Next up is my phone bill. So I have paid so far $973.61. That is a lot. So this is just 5 months. That's a lot. And it's because I have extra things on my phone that I used to do when I traveled a lot. So I wanted extra packages on my phone to make sure that I did not have internet. So, and I haven't taken it off yet, and I think it's quite useful. So you could definitely cut your bill so much more in half if you didn't do all the other extra expenses on it, but I'm okay with it. Tolls. Oh my God, I hate tolls, you guys. But there is some over here where I have to go through a toll, and I do now have a toll pass, but when I was paying cash, and I did also have a late fee, this is how much I paid so far, is $56 in tolls for this 5 months. Not a lot, but it could be definitely cheaper if I had already had the pass and if I had not waited so long to pay one of those bills. So I actually have a bill sitting somewhere on the floor for another toll bill. That's late. You guys, I kill myself with these late fees, but no, none of us are perfect. None of us are perfect. All right, on to marketing. So far, I have spent $38. Some of my students know that I do give 80 websites for signing platforms that you guys can sign up for that are reliable and that I do trust. And some of them do kind of require you to put some money down if you want to be shot up to the top of the list and be like the first name people will find if they're trying to look up notaries or signing agents in your area. And I have spent $38 so far on some of the ones that I really like. It's for me to get some extra zip codes near me, a little bit farther out. Let lenders know that I do go out there. So $38, that's nothing. Do you guys pay for any fees for some of your signing agent websites? By the way, if you guys want to sign up for my signing agent class, I'll just have it kind of listed down here for you guys. Another one is car insurance. So for the past 5 months, $237.14. You're gonna have to pay car insurance regardless, so it's great that we can write it off. I do use my vehicle mainly on almost 100% for my business, so I can write that off on my expenses. Gas. Everybody thinks my gas bill is just so much money. So for gas for the last 5 to 6 months, or I'm sorry, 5 months, was $443.72. So is that a lot? Let me know down below, you guys. I live in Virginia, so maybe you guys have to pay more gas than I do. It's about $2 here. I don't know. I no longer look at the prices of my gas because I need it regardless, so I just get it where I can. I don't look at the prices. My car maintenance. Oh my God. I have had 2 flat tires because of how I drive. Sometimes the curbs get in my way, so you know, I gotta replace those tires. Also, having to drive to different people's places. I live in Virginia, so we have the beach, we have mountains, we have hills, we have country, and I have rolled over some nails before, which have torn holes into my tire, and I've had to replace them. So total right now, 5 months, is $231.81. And I think I also don't remember if they took it off. My insurance, I think, provided a free rental car for me. All right, so I think that is all of the expenses. They total up $4,958.66. So that was all the expenses so far for 5 months, January to May. Like I said, today's video is sponsored by Hatch Business Checking Account, and this is specially made for business owners like me and you, or you guys who would possibly want to become a notary or have your own business. It offers 5% cash back. Restaurants, hotels, car rentals, and that's really good because car rentals for my businesses, sometimes I have to use. You guys know I go to Tennessee for my properties, and you guys, cash back is where it's at, and be able to write it off on your expenses. You'll also receive discounts on Yelp and Indeed. And get this, you guys, your first year is free if you guys try to sign up for Hatch. Avoid high costs, enjoy benefits and rewards, and save thousands on business software. You'll also get 50% off QuickBooks. That is literally a big expense. So getting 50% off QuickBooks, I think, is a no-brainer. I really think you guys should at least take a look into Hatch. And of course, cash back rewards. That's what we should be looking for as business owners. So you guys, I'll put all the information in the description box, also somewhere on this screen, so that you guys can go look at Hatch. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Are you guys ready to see how much I made and to hear about the giveaway that I'm giving 2 of my subscribers? All right. So, drum roll please. So I had my tax person write down this amount. I made in 5 months $46,011.74, you guys, in 5 months. Now let's subtract that from the expenses that have already accrued. $41,053.08 left over. If you times that by 2, so we're just assuming, since this is only 5 months, so I'm gonna act like I made it in 6 months. If you times that by 2, that is a total yearly salary of $82,106.16, you guys. Fingers crossed we still do super well with the notary business, super well on YouTube. And I told you guys I wasn't lying. None of these people were lying when they said that they were making a lot of money as a signing agent. If my aunt can do it, who is an immigrant from the Philippines, if she can do it and make way more money than I do, she gets so many more signings than I do, and she's bought like 5 properties. If my other aunt can do it, and she just flipped one of her properties and is about to buy a rental apartment building, and if my mom can do it and she's already on her 2nd property, then so can you and so can I. So if you guys are interested in my class, you can go ahead and go to my website or just email me with Notary 101. Now you guys, let's get into the giveaway. This is a huge thank you for you guys watching me. Now the giveaway rules and all that are not going to be on this video. You're going to have to subscribe to me and like this video, and the giveaway will be announced on my tiny house or Airbnb business video. They're the videos coming up. I would say it's going to be announced no later than July maybe, or it might be announced in July. I'm giving away 2 free vacations to one of my viewers, and this is literally to say thank you. So some quick rules that you need to know before those videos are posted is, of course, you have to be subscribed. You have to comment down below on my videos. and upcoming videos, and you have to follow me on Instagram and give the video a like, you guys. So that just makes me see that you guys are supporting me. You do like what I have provided for you guys, and it's honestly just a thank you. So I just got the text message yesterday that we just got our offer accepted on our cabin in Tennessee. You guys saw in my previous video that I was looking for property and we got outbidded on it, and I settled for the tiny house to be leased on someone else's property in Tennessee. So the first giveaway is going to be the tiny home in Tracy City, Tennessee. It has hiking, it's near all the national parks. You guys are good, it's gonna be great. It's a great location, great scenery. So we'll have one giveaway person will get that. The second winner will be getting a free vacation to my cabin in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Yes, you guys, right. I got a cabin in Gatlinburg, Tennessee yesterday. We are going through the closings right now. As of May, we're hoping to close in June. So your girl just got 2 properties. Like I said, notary signing agent does not need to be your passion. However, it will open the door to what you are passionate about. What I mean by that is I can make $82,000 in a year, which means I qualify for a good enough mortgage to get a property, a rental property, and we were accepted. So I am so excited to be able to give this to you guys. It's gonna be maybe 2 or 3 nights. I have not decided. There are going to be giveaway rules on top of subscribing, liking, commenting, and following me on Instagram. These rules and the winner will be announced on my tiny house or Airbnb property videos. I will announce them on Instagram stories. I will announce it on my YouTube stories. So that's why you guys have to be subscribed, so that you are ready to input your information so that you can be a winner. In this video, you do not need to put your information down below. All you have to do is just tell me, how do you feel about the giveaway? Are you guys excited? You can also tell me which place you want to have, which place you want to stay. But I am not choosing winners from this video. I just want to give you guys a heads up of what you should be doing already so that you can qualify to be a winner. So this is my give back to you guys. You guys watch me, you guys support me. I feel like this is a really good giveaway to give to people to say thank you. So I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Go ahead and jump on getting your notary license so that you can be in the same position as me. Like I said, if I can do it and I can get a property and my aunt can get 5 properties and my other aunt can get a whole apartment building and my mom can have 2 properties, so can you. So I am so happy and excited for each of your journeys, and I'll talk to you guys later.